Angular's dependency injection makes service injection look like magic, but it's actually just TypeScript doing the heavy lifting. Let's break down exactly how it works. The most important step is adding the service to your component's constructor parameters. When you declare a parameter like user service in the constructor, Angular's dependency injection system automatically provides an instance of that service. This is called constructor injection, and it's the standard pattern for all Angular dependency injection. You simply type the parameter with the service class, and Angular handles the rest. For this to work, the service itself needs the injectable decorator. This decorator tells Angular that this class can be injected. The key part is the providedIn property set to root, which registers the service as a singleton available throughout your entire application. This means Angular creates one instance and shares it across all components that need it. Here's a TypeScript bonus. Using access modifiers like private or public in the constructor parameter automatically creates a class property. Without the modifier, the parameter is just a local variable. With private, TypeScript creates a private property and assigns the injected value to it. This is pure TypeScript shorthand that saves you from writing boilerplate property declarations. Behind the scenes, Angular maintains a hierarchical injector tree. When a component requests a service, Angular walks up the tree looking for a provider. With providedIn root, the service is registered at the application level, so it's always found. This hierarchical system lets you override services at different levels when needed. To inject a service, add it to the constructor, mark it injectable with providedIn root, and use access modifiers for automatic property assignment. Practice this pattern on Interview Mentor to master Angular dependency injection. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.